Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you how to run computer without mouse. Means suppose your mouse is not working, then how we can use keyboard as like mouse. Okay, let's see. First go to control panel, then click on edge of access center, then one sound is coming out, just ignore it. Then click on make the mouse easier to use, then trick turn on mouse key, go to set of mouse key, then make it high, also it make it fast, then turn on mouse key, then apply, then okay, then okay, 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 then close it, then turn on norm key. Okay, then press 6 for right and press 4 for left, press 8 for off, press 2 for down. Okay, if you want to select any file or folder, then press, okay, I want to open PDF file, then first select 5 for select the item, then again press 5 for open and press the escape button for close. Also you can go to close button. Okay, if you want to right click, then press plus sign. Okay, if you want to exit, press X. Number function is not working while this function is on, so if you want to close this function, then press alt shift num. Okay, if you press this shortcut key once again, then this function is on. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.